Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix our download not working. If you want to download something from our download and showing the error like this can't connect to the gallery. Okay guys, if you're facing the error like that, just simply you have to close this page. Now first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the shortcut app again, and just simply you have to remove the download, and just simply you have to open any browser and just simply you have to download it again, and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then you have to force restart your device depending on which model you are using. Once you have done this guys, after that you have to check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, you have to remove the app, and after that you have to reinstall it and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys and want to download the video from Instagram or Facebook, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to search for Lucky Download. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on first one. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on combo shortcut. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to wait some seconds. Now you have to set up this shortcut. So I have already this shortcut in my shortcut app. Let me show you here guys. So you have to set up this shortcut and you can easily download any of the video from any of the social media platforms. So that's pretty much for today's video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.